Lemon water. Water with fresh lemon juice can improve your overall health and beauty. Fresh lemon juice plus water equals good health plus beauty. Research shows that lemon water has health enhancing and beauty promoting benefits. Drinking a glass daily contours your cheekbones, enhances your waist to hip ratio. Lemon water for strong immunity. Lemon boosts immune system owing to its richness in vitamin C. Daily dose of lemon water supports cells to fight off pathogens. It also protects you from oxidative stress and disease. Lemon for weight loss. Lemon influences the metabolism of fats due to polyphenols compound antioxidant. Simply drinking lemon water daily helps burn bad fats. Daily lemon water consumption helps you retain a healthy weight. Lemon water for iron absorption. Lemon is abundant in vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron better. Drinking lemon water as you eat iron-rich dishes or take iron tablets helps your body make the most of iron. Lemon water for mood. Lemon scent is aromatherapy in nature. Inhaling the aroma of lemon while drinking lemon water improves mood. Lemon water for fresh breath. Lemon has antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. A glass of lemon water in the morning keeps unpleasant mouth odor at bay. Lemon water for beautiful skin. Lemon improves skin appearance due to its high vitamin C content. Drinking lemon water daily stops skin dryness. Drinking lemon water can be uplifting and release energy, reducing anxiety, fatigue, and promotes positive outlook. Daily dose of lemon water. Lemon water for kidney stones. Lemon contains citric acid. Drinking plenty lemon water can help inhibit kidney stones formation. Lemon water for lowering cholesterol. Drinking lemon water daily reduces LDL cholesterol levels, keeping blood pressure under control. Lemon water for digestion. Lemon promote a healthy digestive system. Sipping lemon water every morning on an empty stomach daily ensures a proper bowels movement and helps flush out toxin from your system. Lemon. Lemon is a flowering plant, native to Asia, Northeast India and China. Its juice has excellent cleansing power. Lemon juice contains about 6% citric acid. It has a pH of 2.2, giving it a sour taste. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, with 64% daily value, polyphenols, terpenes, tannins. Lemon juice has more citric acid than lime juice, twice the citric acid in grapefruit, 5 times that of orange juice. Here comes the best way to make your daily lemon water for the whole week or month. Fresh lemon. Peel. Lemon skin scent is aromatherapy in nature. Cut into smaller pieces. Juice, using a slow juicer or blend in a blender. Pour the juice in ice cube tray. A cube of lemon juice is equivalent to half tablespoon. Freeze. Store in a freezer bag and freeze. Ways to use lemon juice cubes for best results. You can drink lemon water cold or hot. Add lemon juice to water with fruits and vegetables. Infuse lemon juice cube in fruit tea. Dissolve a cube of lemon juice in green tea. Combine lemon juice cube in chilled fruit juice is also beneficial.